What is going on, Dan? Unfiltered. Checking out Abbie Falls, Mayday. And this comes from HRW. Patreon, if you guys have any requests, just hit me up. Took me a second to find this song, because I thought the song was Abbie Falls by a band called Mayday. Nope. It's reversed. Sometimes YouTube can be stupid in the way some bands do that. It's pretty fucking dumb. They'll reverse it. It completely confuses everybody. But let's check this out. Oh, God. It's got Trump on the cover, on the thumbnail. I don't know where we're going. And it's titled Mayday. I don't know where we're going with this. Let's see. I'm actually not political in any way. I don't even... When I vote for me. Like, you can usually Google me. It'll come up with me getting a couple of presidential votes. Oh. We're gonna need a second. Based on the breakdowns and the drops already, and then the video, a lot of adrenaline, a lot of man adrenaline is happening in my body right now. A lot of testosterone is being flooded. Yeah, like my beard is growing a beard right now. You like fight, you know that fight or flight feeling where it's either you run or you're ready to square up? That's happening. I'm ready to fucking square up, and it's too much testosterone. Let's go. Let's go. Mayday might be a perfect song title for this. And the video. Quick thought before we get deeper in this. So many music videos at the beginning will give you a warning. Because this video may contain some acts of suicide or some gun violence. But don't worry, nobody was actually harmed. There was no warning here, and clearly lives have been lost. Right here. I'm not usually a fan of the warning things because I think it's kind of stupid. Kids play GTA, for Christ's sake. I think they can deal with a little gunplay in a music video. But this one maybe for the younger audience, you could have put a little disclaimer. feel like I should have those things from Clockwork Orange, and they'd be making me watch like severe violence and shit.
The future is cancer, pulls me on the cancer.
Was he trying to get on his bike while on fire? Bro, that's a bad idea. Stop, drop, and roll. Is everyone okay? Thought I'd go check on my family, make sure everyone's safe. Let's go to the basement. Get in the basement. Good Lord. Yeah, man, that was awesome. that was fun. 3 minutes? Oh, that was a blast. Literally. Yeah, a lot of blasts. See, mosh pitting is fun. It is. But you don't want to mosh pit with the police. And a lot of them were moshing with the police officers. All bad. Not good. Bad idea. I would like to be in a mosh pit if I was like the only one with a riot shield. That would be awesome. Put 2 of them with some full riot gear right in the middle of a mosh pit. You still might get hurt. You probably still would get hurt because everyone would target you. Yeah, bad idea. Bad idea. Because it puts a huge bullseye on you if you've got riot gear on. Oh, yeah, no, thank you. Everyone's going to, like, target you. They're going to think you're super safe and just give you their all. So, yeah, no, thank you. Never mind. But, man, wow. 3 minutes, 15 seconds of glory. Adrenaline rush of glory. Just chaos. And the perfect music video for it, too. Perfect. Just take absolute, like, just riots. Just 3 minutes of rioting from different countries, I would assume. And every time you had a big drop, show a wartime explosion. Good Lord. Yeah, I might have PTSD, man. I don't know. That might have given me PTSD. Appreciate you, homie. Good Lord, that was fun. Let me know what you guys think down below of Abbie Falls. Mayday. Sometimes songs write themselves. Mayday.